So reflux disease can be treated initially with taking medications. Antacids, over-the-counter medications are very common. When your reflux becomes more severe, then people tend to go on to medications on a daily basis, which is really not what those medications are designed for.
I was always having to worry about taking medicine, having the medicine with me, and really had to watch what I ate. I had the heartburn and everything for about probably 5 or 6 years before I finally went to the doctor and did something about it.
Medications are really a chemical treatment for a mechanical problem. We're chemically changing the composition of the fluid, but we're not changing the mechanics that keep the fluid in the compartment where it's supposed to be. And that's what surgery does.
When I went to see Dr. Ihde, he explained to me what was actually going on, and then we just set up a scope to go in and check and see if I did have a hiatal hernia and what exactly was going on.
The fundoplication procedure is done with a new device called the esophagus device. And we pass that with a TV camera into the mouth and down the esophagus and into the stomach. And then it folds back on itself so that we can attach to the junction of the esophagus and the stomach. And it has a flap that will fold the fundus part of the stomach onto the esophagus and then put the sutures in.
The surgery went in and corrected the hiatal hernia where the stomach had gone up through my diaphragm, and he fixed that. And then the transoral incisionless fundoplication rebuilt the valve so that the stomach acid couldn't come back up my esophagus.
We usually have them on a 2-week diet of liquids, soups, and then we spend the next 4 weeks with soft foods. And then at 6 weeks they can go back to eating the beef, chicken, raw fruits and vegetables, those sorts of things that are a little harder to get down and would put more strain on the repair.
I'm not in pain every day. I don't have to worry about when and where I've got to take medicine. I can eat whatever I want. It's been great. It's changed my life for sure.